We, the sons of the prophet, United Kingdom, we wish to say happy birthday to our father in the Lord, Apostle Johnson Suleman. Papa, you mean a lot to me personally. You are an inspirator, an inspiration to me in everything that you do. Thank you for the sacrifices, and I wish to tell you, Daddy, happy birthday.
My name is Pastor Kenneth Njume, Assistant Coordinator, Sons of the Prophet UK. Daddy, congratulations and happy birthday to you. I mean, today is your day. We celebrate to you with the hosts of heaven. Thank you for showing us the light. We love you.
My name is Emamuke Mariugai. Father, we just want to say we thank you for all your strength, all your contributions. Thank you for being an example of the believer. Thank you for encouraging us daily. We are grateful and want to say happy birthday.
We, the sons of the prophet, United Kingdom, wish to say
happy birthday.